There are two types of inspection to carry out when replacing a seatbelt. First, check to see how the retractor is working. Is the seatbelt being tensioned properly? After installing the seatbelts, check that the belt latch plates can be locked securely into the catches. Is there any abnormality with the impact sensors? If the vehicle is equipped with a seatbelt warning light, make sure that it's working properly. Check that the seatbelt is not twisted. However, some types of seatbelt incorporated a half-turn twist by design. The half-turn twist should be located between the latch plate and the upper anchor when worn. In other words, the lower half from the lower anchor to the latch plate that laps over the hip should not have the half-turn twist. If shoulder anchor adjusters are fitted, check that they slide smoothly and that they can be locked securely in each position.